So hello everyone, today we are going to learn this word emaciate and its 7 synonyms with amazing tricks, and this vocabulary is very important for NDA to 2023 exam because these words have been asked in NDA or other competitive exams. So let's start. Our first word is emaciate, that means very weak because of illness. Now you will forget this word before your NDA exam, so we will learn it with a trick. Here you can see, this sounds like mass and ate is related to food, so if you do not have food you will lose your mass or muscle and you will become weak. So this is how you can learn this word easily. If you like the method, please do subscribe to our channel. Now before we start its synonyms, we should go through its use or example. The illness had caused her to slowly emaciate. Now let's start the synonyms. Cadaverous, you can relate it with kada or ras, so when you are sick, your mother gives you kada or juice of neem. Next word is gaunt, you can break it into two part G plus aunt, and in general many aunts get sick easily, so can learn this word also. Next word is haggard, so when a guard returns home, he is very tired and weak. I think this trick is just nonsense, but you must have remembered. Let's move on to our next word, that is skeletal. You must have heard about it. Let's move on to next word, that is scraggy. You can relate it with skinny and learn it easily. Next is underfed. Here you can see fed, relate it with food, and under means not enough. So I hope you understood how you can learn this word also. Now our last word is starving, and this is also very easy. It is made of starvation. Starvation means in Hindi bhukmari, when there is no food for eating, that calls starvation. So now you can see, you learned literally whole page with tricks, and believe me, this vocabulary is very important for NDA 2023. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, and if you want videos in Hindi language, comment below. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning something.